I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to delete apps on iPhone. For that, first of all, open up your settings. After you open up your settings, scroll down and there you'll find the option of General. Tap on it. Now select iPhone Storage. Scroll down and there you'll find the apps that are on your phone. Select the app that you want to delete. Now tap on the Delete App option. A pop-up message will appear on your screen informing that if you delete the app, all its data and documents will also be deleted. If you are sure you want to delete the app, tap on Delete App. This way you can easily delete app on iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.